Picture this, it's a busy weeknight, and you're craving something hearty, flavorful, and comforting. You open the fridge and spot a beautiful cut of London Broil. Instantly, you think of the delicious Filipino bistek your mom used to make. Tender slices of beef marinated in a tangy salty mixture, then seared to perfection and served with onions that melt in your mouth. With a few simple ingredients: soy sauce, calamansi or lemon, garlic, and a touch of seasoning, you can recreate that nostalgic, mouth-watering dish right in your kitchen. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, calamansi or lemon juice, minced garlic, fish sauce if using, sugar, salt, and pepper. Add the beef slices and mix well. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, but ideally 1 to 2 hours in the fridge for better flavor. The marinating process is key. The soy sauce tenderizes the meat, while the citrus adds just the right amount of zing. It's a simple recipe, but one that brings so much warmth and joy, whether you're cooking for yourself or sharing it with the people you love. And trust me, once you try this, it'll become a regular dish on your dinner table. Then, it's all about the sizzle. You sear the beef quickly on high heat, locking in all that juicy flavor. Finally, a generous handful of caramelized onions adds sweetness and balance to every bite. As the beef sizzles on the pan and the kitchen fills with the savory aroma, you can't help but feel excited for the meal to come. One bite, and you're transported to a family gathering or a special dinner at home. Tender, flavorful, and full of memories. This is bistek, done right. Tune in for more of these treasured recipes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.